Good evening, everybody. The place is still a mess, but I've started cleaning up a little bit. I found my floor. I still got a few things to put up, but this cabinet now has got a wall on it on this side instead of the cabinet that went all the way down. It's now on the other side of the van. Sorry about the bright lights. I don't have the dimmer switch in yet. I still got to put a little bit on the bottom there, but I got a couple boards I can do that with. I did make a little box around the ductwork and then cut that cabinet off that I was talking about earlier. So I'll probably redo this at some point because it is just long enough to be not long enough. Anyway, and as you can see behind me, this is the wall panels I bought off of Amazon that I was going to try to put up on the wall here, but I'm going to need better adhesive. And I'm probably going to have to set them out in the sun on a couple bricks so they bend in the middle, because they do not like to flex on this wall. And the double-sided sticky tape they sent with it ain't worth a damn. So I'll probably get some good adhesive and try them again and see what happens. That one stuck. But anyway, I also need to build something to put around my beer box adapter for the ductwork. But it's evening. Hell, I don't even know what time it is. It's 10:30, so I'm gonna just go ahead and clean up a little more and call it an evening on work. But that's what I've done in the van today, and it don't seem like a lot, but damn. Taking everything down, putting it all back up. Everybody out there knows what I'm talking about. Anybody who's done work in a van like this, y'all know what I mean. Anyway, that's what I've done, and this is my update. I hope all is well, and until next time, happy trails.